In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix and install Microsoft OneNote app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this, first go back and open your Google Play Store app. And from Play Store, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account and also your data is turned on. However, if you're already logged in but unable to download the app, then tap on your profile icon and scroll down to Settings. From Settings, look for this option, Network Preferences option, which is this. Tap on it to see more options under it. Under this, look for this app download preference, and if you tap on it, you can see we have these three options. Change this from over Wi-Fi only to over any network, and then okay. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. Now try to download your app and everything should be up and running without any issue. However, at this point, if you still have a challenge, then most likely the problem is with Google Play Store app itself. We need to troubleshoot Google Play Store by going to Settings and then scroll down to Apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, search for Play Store, and if you tap on it, now here go to Force Stop App, and okay, this will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to Clear Data and choose Clear Cache, and okay. Once you're done, start your smartphone, and now if you go to your Google Play Store and activate search for OneNote app. Now if I run my search, we have our app here. I'll now try to install it. Finally, look at that. I'm now able to download and install Microsoft OneNote app from Google Play Store. However, at this point, should you still experience any challenge, then check and see if you have any VPN turned on your smartphone or any recently installed security app, and install them to fix this. You also want to check and then see that you have enough space. If you don't, free up space by deleting unwanted apps or files from your smartphone to create more space. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.